Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I can provide you with a basic tutorial on using Python's pandas library for XML parsing. Before you start, make sure you have pandas installed. If not, you can install it using. Now, let's get started with the tutorial. You need to load your XML data into a format that pandas can work with. The elementtree module in the Python standard library is commonly used for this task. Iterate through the XML elements and extract the data you need to create a pandas data frame. Make sure to replace your _XML file.xml and your parent element with your actual XML file and the parent element you want to extract data from. Also, customize the column names according to your XML structure. Now that you have a data frame, you can perform data cleaning and analysis using pandas functionalities. Customize the data cleaning and analysis steps based on your specific requirements. After processing the data, you may want to export the data frame back to a different format, example CSV, Excel. Adjust the export format and file name according to your needs. That's it. This is a basic guide to get you started with XML parsing using pandas in Python. Make sure to adapt the code to your specific XML structure and data requirements. ChatGPT.